All right, new project. It is a table. I've taken the top off. So far, I've just been doing some scraping. It was blue at one time. So yeah, that's kind of weird. So there was some sort of weird laminate on the bottom shelf. So I had to chip all that off because it's falling off. And this is the tabletop, which needs some work. It was painted blue, like I said, so there's some stains of blue I'm going to try to work out because this is actually kind of a cool table. And there's the back, which looks like it's a nice piece of oak, if you can see that very well. But yeah, so far so good. It's been fun. And this is what it looks like after day one. Sorry I didn't do a before thing because I was too busy working on this thing. So it's a pretty good built table. My parents have had it, or actually my mom's had it since ever I can remember. So it'll be a fun project to get this all cleaned up, sanded, and whatnot. I'm not going to replace or work on any of the hardware here that's got a little rust on it. I think that's going to add to the old antique thing. So I did wipe it down a little bit so the rust won't flake off. But hey, I think it's cool as is for the hardware. And I will post another video or pictures once I get done with this project. But a lot of sanding. And I'm going to have to use my hand plane and all this stuff down here are the tools that I've used so far. So anyway, that's my new project. And I will keep you guys updated. Talk to you later.